In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Freshservice URL. Navigating through the settings and finding out exactly where and how you can make these changes may sound daunting at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way to make this process as smooth as butter. So, whether you're rebranding or just prefer a new URL for your service desk, you're in the right place. First off, let's head over to your Freshservice site. You can do this by typing in your current Freshservice URL into your web browser. It usually follows the pattern of your companyname.fr/freshservice.com. Once you're there, you might need to log in with your credentials, so have them handy. Upon successfully logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the nerve center of your Freshservice operation. Here you can oversee tickets, analyze performance, and yes, adjust settings to better suit your needs. Next, it's crucial that we establish a direct line of communication with the Freshservice support team for our request. To do this, look for the Chat with Us option, usually positioned on the lower right side of the dashboard. Freshservice prides itself on customer support, and this little feature is your gateway to real-time assistance. Clicking on this will open a chat window where you can reach out to a member of the support team. Don't rush, explain clearly that you're looking to change your Freshservice URL, and they'll be more than happy to guide you through the process or even escalate the matter if needed. After initiating the chat, the support team may guide you to explore some self-service resources. They might direct you to click on Setting up your self-service portal. This is an informative section where Freshservice accumulates all the need to know to help you tailor your service desk to your exact requirements. It's a reservoir of knowledge from customizing your portal to changing its URL, which is precisely what we're focusing on today. While here, take a moment to acquaint yourself with other available resources. You might find answers to questions you haven't even thought of yet. Following that, the next step they guide you through will likely be requesting changes. This is the part where the magic happens. Clicking here signifies you're ready to make some significant modifications to your Freshservice setup, including that all-important URL change. It's worth mentioning that while Freshservice aims to make its platform as customizable as possible, certain changes like altering your URL may require verification or additional checks from their side to ensure everything runs smoothly post-change. This maintains the integrity and security of your service desk. Before we part ways, here are a few things to keep in mind. Changing your Freshservice URL is not something you should do on a whim. Consider the reasons behind this change carefully, whether it's part of a larger rebranding effort or to align with a new company domain. It's important that this change is communicated thoroughly within your organization and to your customers to avoid confusion. After the change, ensure all bookmarks, documentation, and references to your Freshservice site are updated to reflect the new URL. It's easy to overlook this step, but it's crucial for a seamless transition. Lastly, test, and test again. Once your new URL is up and running, make sure to thoroughly test every aspect of your service desk to ensure everything is functioning as expected. This includes submitting test tickets, accessing the knowledge base, and ensuring integrations with other tools or services are still operational. By following these steps and keeping these tips in mind, you should now feel confident about changing your Freshservice URL. It's a process that, while seemingly complex at first glance, can be navigated successfully with the right guidance and a bit of patience. And remember, the Freshservice support team is an invaluable resource throughout this process, so don't hesitate to reach out to them with any questions or concerns you might have. That wraps up our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Freshservice experience. Until next time, keep optimizing and streamlining, because an efficient service desk is the backbone of happy customers and a successful business.